What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're doing another unboxing of a box that I've never done on my channel before, and we are unboxing Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So you guys want to see what this is about, is it worth it, and why am I reviewing it? Then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so you guys are probably noticing that I'm wearing the exact same outfit and products that I wore in my very last video. Well, that's because I'm being cheeky and filming 2 videos in one because I do have to work tomorrow. So I want to make sure I have quality videos coming out this week because I have quite a few videos to film this week for you guys. So I just wanted to catch everything up. I was actually contacted by a company called Simply Earth, and it's an essential oil recipe box. And I've always wanted to try essential oils, never gave them a shot. And when they reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to try some of our products for the November box? I was like, sure, why not? I've never tried essential oils. Why not give it a go and do it here on my channel? So this box is actually sent to me, and it's essential oil box. So let's go ahead and dive on into this. It says right now, this box gives hopes. 13% of the profits from Simply Earth go to organizations that are fighting to end human trafficking, which I think is fantastic. Now the only thing that kind of creeps me out is that little sticker right there. I have no idea who that is and why they're on this box. But it's kind of a creepy sticker, and I saw it and I was like, oh, I have no idea who you are, but you're on my box, so good for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this together. It says, hello, welcome to the squad. Okay, welcome to the squad. Start sharing your code. How our recipe box works. Our aromatherapist and team create the perfect recipes for your natural home. We send you pure oils at the honest price by cutting out the middleman and working with the best farms. You make fun essential oil recipes that you make from home and that are more natural. I think that's so freaking cool. So let's make your home natural with Simply Earth using essential oils by using this code. Get your first box free. Just cover shipping for your first box. Plus get a free bonus big box when you subscribe. So that is so freaking cool. They have quite a few of these in here as well. And inside the box is, well, another box. All right. Oh, maybe this is the, oh, okay, wait, is this the bonus box? Looks like I got a bonus box in here. What? Now, I do want to let you guys know, oh my God, I'm like making so much noise. I do want to let you guys know that they are doing something really cool. It says that when you use my code, you guys will receive a $40 gift card with your very first subscription box and a bonus box. This gift card can be used on their next purchase or their next box. So instead of giving you guys like a discount code, like, oh, save 10%, they're actually going to give you guys a $40 gift card that you guys can use to purchase your very next box. So I think it's actually really cool. So let's go ahead and dive on into this. So the first thing I see is Simply Earth coconut oil. Ooh, I love coconut oil. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but I actually coconut oil pull. I know some people get really weirded out by that, but oh, it smells good. I love oil pulling with coconut because I feel like there's been like a long tradition where you oil pull with coconut. You swish in your teeth for 20 minutes and then you spit it out. You don't want to spit it out in the sink or your toilet or anything like that. You actually want to spit it out in a trash can because it will solidify and actually will clog your drains. I melt it down to like just like a liquid in the microwave for like 20 seconds. Swish it in my mouth for 20 minutes, twice a day, once in the morning, once at night, and it really pulls out all the impurities. It cleans out all the plaque. It does help to whiten your teeth, but the best part about it and the reason why I started it was I actually had a root canal procedure that needed to be done 3 years ago, and I had a really bad tooth infection, and oh my God, it hurt so freaking bad. So before I had gone to see the dentist, I started coconut oil pulling because I heard that helped to clean out cavity and debris, and I started doing it, and oh my God, it like cured the freaking pain. Like the infection ended up going away. I went and saw the dentist and I ended up getting antibiotics and stuff like that, but really it truly has helped. And every time I go back to the dentist, he goes, wow, your teeth look good because you don't have any plaque, nothing like this. And I tell him all the time that I do coconut oil pulling, and he says keep doing it because it's working for your teeth. And it is a really old like Eastern Hemisphere practice, and I think it's such a great thing. So if I don't end up using the coconut oil for anything that's in this box, I'll definitely use it to do some coconut oil pulling. What do we have in here? Oh my God, we have so much things. Okay, so I see that there is a beeswax, 100% pure, sulfate-free, natural skincare. Beeswax, oh my God. There's a lot of like little like biodegradable products that you can definitely recycle. And then we have Simply Earth coconut oil that's already melted down for me. We have a almond oil, sweet. And then we have, looks to be like empty vials. So this is where you're gonna put your essential oil in, because we're gonna be like little witches and brew our own essential oil. Sweet. Little smaller vials right here. Okay. Sorry if you guys hear noises in the background. Corey's trying to clean out his PlayStation right now because his PlayStation makes so much noise. So he's trying to take it apart and clean it. So I do apologize if you guys hear some noises. There looks to be a little bit of broken glass in my box. I don't know what, I guess this will always be like you want to rub this on your neck and stuff like that. But there's like a little piece of broken glass in here. Don't know where that came from. Maybe it came from this bottle that is, well, I don't know. This bottle just came apart. So it's like this. I don't know where the broken piece came from, but let's go ahead and dive into the other box. This is the essential oil recipe box. Oh, this is not the bonus box. Oh my God, I probably should read first. Okay, so this is how this box looks. And it comes with little labels. It says bath chai tea bath salts, oatmeal and milk bath, elliptic shower steamer, lavender buds and tranquility milk bath. Ooh, that's cool. So we have little different recipes in here. Okay, so you can make an elliptic shower steamer, lavender buds and tranquility milk bath, tranquility and lime diffuser blend, lime and elliptic roll-on, oatmeal and milk bath, and chai tea bath salts. These little cute, it comes in these cute little bags. It comes with powdered whole milk. I wonder what would happen if I were to eat this, because I'm really bad lactose intolerant, so I bet you it would have some really bad effect. It has dried lavender flowers in here, and then it does come with your essential oils right here. So let's go ahead and make some recipes. This is really freaking cool. All right, so does it come with everything that you need? I would assume it does. And on the back of these, it says how it works. Refer one friend, get a free box. Share your unique link with your friends. Find your link at simplyearth.com/invite. Your friends get their first monthly box and big bonus box free when they subscribe. Once your friend receives their third box, one free box will be credited to your account. That's actually really cool. Now, the only thing they don't have in here, they don't have price points. Let me go ahead and find out the price point for you guys. Okay, so it says with the essential oil recipe box, it includes 4 essential oils, natural ingredients, plus extra funds. It's a total value of $150 and you pay $39 a month for it. And it is a monthly subscription service, which isn't that bad at all. Now, in here, I don't see anything else. I don't think I'm missing anything. No. So for the first one, for the chai tea bath salt, it says it takes 3 minutes to make. So it says that you need a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, which I don't have. It says you need a 1/4 cup of oatmeal grounded, which I don't have. You need 1 teaspoon of clove spice, 1 tablespoon of anise star spice, 1 cinnamon stick broken into pieces, 1 tablespoon almond oil, 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil, and 1 tea bag. So unfortunately, I don't have any of these items in here at all, and I really wish that they would have included it in here. I am a part of HelloFresh, and whenever HelloFresh sends you a box every single week, it is $60. You do get all the ingredients that you need except for like oil. I think the only thing you ever need oil is like oil and salt and pepper, the only things you ever need, which people tend to have in their house. I don't have anise star spice. I've never even heard of that, and I do not see it in any box at all, so I cannot make that product today, which really sucks. So I do not have like the recipe to make this, and so I kind of wish that they would have included the items in here to make this. So now this is something that I'd have to go buy additional ingredients for to make this essential oil, and I don't have it, so unfortunately I can't make that today on this video, which I really wanted to do. That sounded really cool. Let's see, the next product that I can make, let's see, can we make this one? Oatmeal and milk bath. Again, you need baking soda, which I don't have. You need oatmeal, again, which I don't have. I do have the eucalyptus essential oil, the cinnamon essential oil, the powdered milk, but I do not have anything else to make this, so another ingredient that I cannot make. Tranquility and lime diffuser blend. 3 drops tranquility essential oil, 3 drops lime diffuser recipe in a 5 milliliter bottle. Okay, so how do I know what is a 5 milliliter bottle? Is this a 5 milliliter bottle? Is this the 5 milliliter bottle, or is this the 5 milliliter bottle? Like, I don't know. Does this go Oh God, I'm dropping everything. Does this go right in here? But this doesn't even stay in here. That's really irritating, but they don't have these labeled. And they don't even have a dropper. So I don't have a dropper to pull out the ingredient and drop unless these have the droppers, and these have droppers in them. Oh, look. That's very strong variant of lime. I have no dropper, so don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm assuming this is 10 millimeter because it says roll on. Okay. So this is a 10 millimeter and you roll this on. So we're gonna try to make the lime and eucalyptus roll on product. I do not have a dropper, so we're gonna guess. It says for this you need 3 drops of lime essential oil, 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 10 millimeters of fractionated coconut oil in a 10 millimeter bottle. So I'm probably gonna make this wrong, but I don't have a dropper, and if someone's signing up for this box and they don't have the ingredients either, then they just kind of like wasted their money. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna guess. I'm guessing because I don't know what else to do. I don't have a dropper, and I didn't know I had to be prepared for a dropper. Ooh, that lime is very strong. And then let's see, we need the eucalyptus. What does eucalyptus even smell like? Oof, I don't know if I like that smell. 1, 2, 3. We're guessing. We're guessing. All right, I'm assuming this is the fractionated coconut oil. Okay, it smells good. And we're just gonna fill up the bottle with it because it just put the little rolling on. And here, I'm gonna close the lid. It says that to use, apply blend to pulse points for energy, congestion relief, and an uplifting aroma. Oh, okay, that's cool. So let's just apply this right here. I mean, it smells really good. It smells like a lime, minty feel. I know it's probably not to be minty, but like lime mint, like a peppermint. It smells like a peppermint is what it really smells like. It smells really good. It's really, really strong for sure, but I do like that. It's actually a really cool concept. And then I could make, I guess, the Tranquility Lime Diffuser Blend. So for this one, it says you need 3 drops of You either need 3 drops of Tranquility Essential Oil, 3 drops of Lime Diffuser recipe in a 5 milliliter bottle. It says add essential oils to a diffuser and diffuse in an open room for energizing and refreshing aroma. But I don't have a diffuser. So yeah, I don't have anything to make this video at all. I was not told in the email when they reached out to me that I needed to have the essential ingredients to do this. I thought it was really cool to try out essential oils and make different products because, you know, I saw the website and I was like, oh, that's actually really cool. But I truly thought they provide the stuff that you needed like any other company would for starting out. Like, here are all the essential bases that you need. I really wish that they would have told you like, hey, you need this, this, and that. Unfortunately, I only have one thing that I can make. I'm sure I could try to make things on my own, but I don't know what to do with this beeswax or this Simply Dry Lavender because I don't have oatmeal. I don't have some of these spices they require, and unfortunately I can't make half the things that I really want to make because I think the oatmeal and milk bath sounds so freaking cool. Like, to have a bath and soak in it, I'd have to go buy the ingredients on top of already spending $39 a month for the stuff. Yeah. As much as I think this is a really cool concept, I unfortunately don't have the stuff to make this stuff. So I like the lime and eucalyptus roll-on oil. I thought that was really cool, and I'm sure all the other products that are in here can make really, really cool stuff. But unfortunately, I don't have any of this stuff to make everything. I don't have a diffuser, and I don't have oatmeal or cinnamon sticks or anything like that to make some of these cool products, and unfortunately that sucks. And I know this video is now going to be shit, if I'm being completely honest, and I don't even know if you guys are gonna see this, so I'm really sorry that I could not make more ingredients for you the way that I want to. Unfortunately, I do not have this stuff, and I thought it'd be like a HelloFresh box where they provide everything that you need. Unfortunately, this box does not provide anything that you need. You need to have, I guess, the basics, and I don't have the basics, and for that, I'm truly sorry. I think it's a really cool concept box where you can literally make your own essential oils, bath bombs, shower gel, room diffusers, roll-on perfume oils. Like, I think it's such a really cool concept for such a cheap price. It's $39 a month, and for all of it being organically owned items, I think that's fantastic. 13% of the box profits actually does go to protect against human trafficking, which I think is fantastic. I think it's such a great concept, but it's all natural ingredients, and I really wanted this to work. I truly did. I wanted to play around with natural ingredients because I'm trying to be more health conscious, more earth friendly, because I am 30 and I want to save the planet as best I can. It just really sucks that I can't invest in this box fully because I don't have the products, and that is really shitty. So while I think this is a really cool concept, it is $39 a month. It's something that I would definitely want to invest in, but again, I don't have the products, so I'm really sorry. I do know that they are doing a really cool deal where you can use unfiltered beauty free, and I'll actually have the code listed right up here as well as down in the information box down below, and I'll tell you guys everything about this box in the description box. Like I said, it really is a cool concept. I just really wish that I could invest in this box a lot more and do more things with this box for you guys, but unfortunately I don't have the basic stuff that you need to make these products. I'm not told I need to have the ingredients, so I just assumed it'd be provided for me, or they would make sure that you could have stuff to make, and unfortunately they didn't. So as cool as this box is, it just didn't work for me. So I truly apologize for that, guys. I really wanted this video to go a different way. Unfortunately, it did not. And like, I'm not gonna go buy a diffuser, but I probably might go buy some oatmeal to make the oatmeal bath products and the oatmeal cinnamon stuff, because I actually want to play around with that. It just sucks I don't have the stuff in here, so this is not how I wanted the video to go. So I'm really sorry. Yeah, this is not how I wanted the video to go, so I apologize. Second unboxing gone wrong. I'm gonna stick to just makeup. I'm just gonna stick to makeup for now on. I'm not gonna try to branch out much further because it doesn't tend to work out for me. So yeah. That is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up, or whatever thumbs up you want to give for this video at this point. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I do have my Tati Beauty giveaway as well as my Shane Dawson Conspiracy Tire Collection giveaway. I'll link down below. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, Our Full Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! But I was actually contacted by a company called Simple Earth. But I put coconut oil, I melted down in the fridge. It says 3 drops tranquility, 3 drops I really liked the little lime. I really like the lime and eucalyptus. 13% of your profits do go to human